How to contact Grubhub Customer Support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact Grubhub Customer Support, whether you are using the app, website, or need to speak to a real person. If you're dealing with missing item, refund issue, account problem, or anything else, this video will walk you through every options. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with option 1, that is to go through Grubhub app. So here the fastest way is to get help from the Grubhub app. So simply open the app, and now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once you are in your account section, at the top you can see the option labeled as need help. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can choose the problem like missing items, delayed delivery, or order never arrived. And from there, you will be able to chat with support, send a message, or get a callback option depending on your issue. It's quick, direct, and usually gives you a fast response. And now with that, moving forward to the option 2, that is to get support by call. So here you can simply tap or open the phone app, and from here you can simply call to this number. And here once you are on the line, you can simply follow the prompts from the customer support, or you can just wait and a live agent will answer shortly. And with that, moving forward to the option 3, that is by email. So here you can also send an email. So you just have to go to the email, and now here once you're inside the email, you can simply send them the problem that you are facing in this address bar. So here you can simply type in your issue and make sure that you include your order number, the email, and the phone linked to your account, and a clear description of that issue. And after that, the customer support will get back to you. And with that, moving forward to the option 4, that is help center and live chat. So here you can simply go back and open web browser. And now here once you're inside the web browser, you can simply go to the Grubhub website, and here if you scroll to the bottom, there you can see the option labeled as help center. So simply tap on it, and now here some pages also offers a live chat option that connects you to agent instantly. And that's it. That's how you can contact Grubhub support. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.